welcome back to Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today, I'm going to talk about another artist. Bad mind another artist. I'm going to talk about Kingston. This video will be the first of many today, because I know second time we go away for a while. You see a bag of video drop on time, we return on YouTube. But cases like these, them just has to be studied. Sean Saxon and his mother found guilty of defrauding vendors in high profile fraud case. Over $1 million US worth of fraud. I guess this is a different type of chop in the line. Jury in Florida found them guilty for some scheme where them will go out and buy luxury items, because of course it's not like we're going to buy nothing, we can build nothing, create nothing, innovate nothing. It's luxury items. And then when it's time to pay, them send over fake wire receipts. First time they see it happen, them say, just one little innocent mistake, because Sean Kingston and them and the millionaire, them and they would not run a kind of fraud and a scam, surely not. Well, it turns out they were. Not just him, but him and his mother. Has to be studied. But tell me a long time, say, enough time when you see youths do things, and when you see their mother ball and say, why? You know how it come to this, enough time the youth do things. They all she. And she did away enough I close them with that teeth. When you go scam and him buy this and buy that, his mother get it. In this instance, him and his mother chop the line. Some of the items them include Cadillac Escalade, luxury watch, and a 232-inch LED TV. 232-inch LED TV. Then how me fi start bad mind artists? Me never even know say TV go up to 232-inch. Then what kind of house you fit at 232-inch TV now? What kind of wall you put at 232-inch TV? That is a hell of a TV. When you watch all the ball game, it come like you play the ball game. If you watch all one action movie, when shot fire you duck, you must feel like you're in the movie and shot a fire for real. 232-inch TV. But Sean Kingston, you mean the shame Sean Kingston? You're too beautiful, girl. All over the world. Turn me in a same-sidal guy. Remember say that song that was a global hit, Remember say Sean Kingston have global hit song, I'm not talking about normal hit song where Hot to Iron Man, I mean global hit song.
We're following breaking news now. Just coming into the CBS News Miami newsroom, a federal jury found singer and rapper Sean Kingston and his mother, Janice Turner, guilty on all charges in their luxury fraud scheme trial. Turner was taken into custody immediately while Kingston was ordered on house arrest until sentencing. Prosecutors accused the pair of running a scheme in which they obtained high-end items, including a luxury SUV, jewelry, expensive watches, and a wall-sized TV without paying for them. Sentencing is Friday, July 11th for both Kingston and his mother. Stay tuned to CBS News Miami on CW 33 at 10 o'clock for more.
Sean Kingston, big global artist. I chop the line and fraud out people to millions. But I thought the reason why people commit frauds and scams was because them hungry and them poor. That's what I was told by the experts. It's not a good look. And then feel mother and I too. Remember so a long time people are warning them about Sean Kingston. Say Sean Kingston life a unicorn meat now. What them say? Bad mind. It's a bad mind. So I guess Florida police say bad mind him. Everybody bad mind him. That's how it go. Everybody just can't help themselves but for bad mind Sean Kingston and his mother. And then typical Irish Saxon, where them fraud and where them scam and where them thief and kill and do the money. Go party, buy beer liquor, buy clothes, buy boot, buy car and buy 232-inch TV. These dopey bat don't even use the money and do nothing. Take his spend on foolishness. 700-inch TV and them sitting there. So you can buy car and them sitting there. Watch and clothes and boot. Liquor and them sitting there. NSC, Ace of Spades. That's what Negro Saxons risk them freedom for. That's what Irish Saxons continue to perpetuate the stereotype that Jamaicans are just low-level, dopey-butt criminals. That's what they continue to push that stereotype for then use the reward to get more clothes and boot. Remember Apple and Fear, man? What them do with the money? Clothes and boot. That has to be studied. Clothes and boot and 500,000-inch TV. Remember, they carry TV, didn't go to jail? These people are vile. Long time, people are talking about Sean Kingston. I say Sean Kingston and his mother, and them spooky. But quickly dismissed with bad mind. Tracy the Man song gone viral. And you know, a viral song. Beautiful girl, make me simp-sidal. Remember that? We can go to the tropics, link the dopey back them. Baby, I can take you there. Remember that? Big tune. We can go round a tall span and watch man go so. Baby, I can take you there. Remember that? Big tune. Global hit. And true me not none, me bad mind him. Bad mind him so much. You know son of me call police and tell them say Sean Kingston and his mother are fraud and I chop the line. I set them up. You don't know. Maybe I may do it because just bad mind them really. Who knows? But it has to be studied. Throughout history, many people have chopped line, fraud, scam, all kind of sitting, and by the time them reach one point they don't even know where this come from, but not Irish Saxons. Because they not take the money done with it. Because after all that destruction, after all that air water, all them do is take the money by clothes, boot, car, liquor and foolishness. Sean Kingston, man, found guilty over $1 million worth of fraud. These are the people who look up to and idolize. Look out for more videos. Whole heap more come today. PH Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.